Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the milk and cookies Brainrot. Basically you'll need to fuse them together. So go to the fuse machine and you're going to grab your cookie and milk. Okay, I think, does the milk go first or the cookie? Hold on. Wait, where is it? Oh, okay. Guess the milk goes first and then the cookie. And then I'm just going to fuse them together and create a rainbow milk and cookie set. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!